With the Waterlovers water distiller, you can produce the purest water possible at home with the touch of a button. To start, remove the boiling reservoir from the main unit and take off the lid. Fill it with water up to roughly 1 centimetre below the maximum indicator line, being careful not to wet the electrical socket at the base. Close the lid firmly and slide the reservoir back into the main unit. Remove the filter tray and insert a coconut carbon filter. Place the glass jug into position, making sure it lines up correctly with the stainless steel spout. To begin the distillation process, press the start button, and once the water reaches boiling point, steam will travel through the condenser pipe and slowly begin to drip into the collection jug. After approximately 2 hours and 45 minutes, the machine will automatically shut down when the cycle has finished. To avoid contact with hot steam, we recommend waiting at least 30 minutes before opening the lid of the reservoir. Inside, there will be a small amount of water remaining. Discard this water and give it a quick rinse. Once the water is cooled, insert the rubber cap into the lid and your distilled water is ready to be chilled or drunk immediately.